everybody, it's Billy from Better Roads during our 5-day alcohol-free challenge. Hey, so does too much booze got you feeling down? Well, we've got a great, awesome recipe that is guaranteed to take that frown and turn it upside down. It's the Better Roads Summer Beer Shandy. So let's get started. All right, what you got to get? You got to get yourself a really good alcohol-free beer, which we have at Better Roads. What we're using today is the Hill Street Lager. Very tasty and awesome for a shandy. So right here we got this. And we're going to be using a lovely toast beverage that we have, which is this one is Toast's white tea cranberry ginger beverage. And this is a really, really simple recipe. So even if you're just feeling a little lazy but you want something tasty, and maybe you're like me, you're always feeling a little bit frisky, this is great for you. Okay, let's get started. All right, here we go. I'm using a copper cup right here because this really, really holds in the keeps everything nice and chilled, nice and cool. So we take this, I'm going to put a little bit of ice in here first, just like this. Next thing you do, I'm going to pour in some of this lager right here, this Hill Street Lager. Pour that baby in here like this, basically about like halfway. Put that back here. Fill up the other portion right here with this Toast beverage right here, awesome, cranberry ginger. Next, what we do, it's a little bit different, Better Road style, going to add a little bit of an orange squirt. Yep, squirt that baby right in there. Take a little bit of a lime squirt this baby in here right this. Awesome. Next thing you're going to do is I'm going to take a little bit of a bitters right here, this cherry bitters, and I'm going to take this, put this on the top for a little bit of extra tasty treat. Put that right on the top. And as well, I'm going to add, because again, feeling a little bit frisky, so I want to add a cherry on the top. Yeah, there we go. Awesome. Put one on the top just like that. Give it a little stir around just like that. Awesome. And then, as a little garnish, I'm going to put a nice little orange wedge here. And then a nice little lime wedge just like that. And with that, you have your Better Roads alcohol-free summer beer shandy. Take care, guys. Woo!